Hi, this is attorney Elizabeth Potts-Weinstein, and today we're going to talk about should you get a trademark or a copyright over the name of your business, over your logo, or the name of your product or service. So when you're thinking about trademark versus copyright, we first need to look at what those words actually mean. And I'm specifically talking about what they mean here in the United States, even though the principles apply generally elsewhere. So a trademark is words or a phrase or a symbol that you use in conjunction with the sale of a product or service that identifies the source of that product or service in the mind of consumers. Trademarks can be things like the name of business, the name of a product or service. It could be a brand. It could be a symbol like the Nike swoosh symbol. It could even sometimes be a smell or a sound, but those are not used quite as often. The idea is it is something that is in the minds of the consumers used to identify your business as a source of that product or service. A copyright is a creative or artistic work that has been memorialized in a tangible format. Now, tangible format doesn't just mean something physical. It can be something physical like photography, like I have on my wall, but it can also be something electronic. So it can be a website, it can be a photo that hasn't been printed yet. Tangible format just means something that's not just, for example, speaking it out loud without a recording. So generally speaking, copyright applies to many kinds of works that are creative in some way. They can be very creative, like a painting, traditionally creative, but they can also be something in the business context, like an article that you write for your business, like the design of your website or a logo. Trademarks and copyrights are very different in how they work, in how you get them in real life. So a copyright you get automatically as soon as you create the work and put it in the tangible format. You can register copyrights here in the United States Copyright Office, but you don't have to. You get more rights though if you do that. And the registration is something that most businesses and even individuals can do themselves. Also, a copyright lasts a fairly long time. If you're an individual who creates a copyright, it lasts for your life plus 70 years. Now, if you're a business that creates a copyright, in other words, you have an employee, for example, who creates something for you, then it's based upon when it was created or when it was published. So for trademarks, as soon as you're using the name or the brand name or the logo in conjunction with the sale of a product or service, you get a little bit of trademark protection here in the United States, but it's only under state law and it's in the places where you've made sales. If you want more protection, you have to apply to register a trademark with the United States Patent and Trademark Office, and then you get rights over the entire United States. But it is an application that has a bit of complexity to it. Some people can do it themselves, but most people are better off hiring an attorney. One of the other differences of a trademark is, in theory, you could have a trademark forever. The issue is that you have to keep using it in commerce, you have to keep using it in conjunction with the sale of a product or service, and you have to keep updating the registration. Every so many years with the Patent and Trademark Office, you have to prove up to them that you're still using it and pay some more fees. So bottom line, should you have a trademark or a copyright over the name of a business? The name of a business is almost always going to be too short to really be under copyright law, so the name of business may be something that you trademark. Now a logo has a creative aspect to it, so you may do both. You might copyright it and register the copyright and also get a trademark on it. The name of a product or service is similar to the name of business, where it's under trademark law and probably not copyright law. Again, this is attorney Elizabeth Potts Weinstein. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and hit the like button. And if you would like more videos like this to learn more about trademark law, copyright law, or other aspects of law that's important to small business owners, I'd love for you to subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Talk to you guys next time.